Welcome guys to Black Graphics FX. I'll be analyzing some trades for you guys. Is my strategy towards getting profit and payouts. So I was starting on the first pair, which is GPCHF. First of all, marking out your highs. We cannot agree that this pair has been on a strong downtrend for a very long time, guys. You can all see that this is a strong downtrend. Understand? Then we can see the market came to this low and then give massive rejection before this buys to this level. So for the bias to this level at this point, so that is a good confirmation that there's been a change in direction of the market, or there's about to be a change in direction of the market. And remember, trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. The trend is always this trend is always your friend. Make the trend your friend. So marking out this low here, mark out on the high, mark out on a high here, and then we just have to mark out our support and resistance level. There's also a high here at this a level here. So a level here. We'll mark out the recent movement and the recent movement. So our point, I call it point of focus. Understand? Point of focus. So guys, it's in a level here. I just have to reduce the strength of the marks. Let me adjust the trend line, guys. So guys, we can all agree that there's a level at this point. There's a level at this point. A level at this point here. I have to reduce the thickness of the this one. So guys, we can all agree that after this move to this point and this rejection, this head and shoulder pattern rejection, market went up to take out the FVG here. There's an FVG here and came back for a retest. So what up to looking for a buy all the way to the upside. But as of now, our buyers is still selling. Understand? But for now, I'm just waiting for a change in direction market to take buys towards the upside. To take the buys towards the upside. So I'm waiting for something like this, breaking this high, coming back, breaking this high again, and then all the way to the upside. All the way to the upside. So guys, I think I should just drop down to the 4-hour time frame to get a clearer view of the market. At the 4-hour time frame, I can see that I have to mark out our levels. It's a level at this point. There's also a level at this point. This point here. This is where we saw rejections. We saw rejection at this point. Massive numbers of rejection. So there's a possibility we're going to see a buy towards the upside. I think I missed a level. There's another level at this point. So we saw rejections. So guys, I'm waiting to see a buy from this level to this point, and then a sell that makes maybe a head and shoulder pattern, then maybe a change of character, then a break of structure, then market should continue to the upside. That's what I'm expecting to see on GBP CHF, guys. That's what I'm expecting to see on GBP CHF. So as of this point, after going to the 1 hour time frame, I have a more clearer view of the market. Seems like this low wasn't broken. This low wasn't broken. So there's more buying momentum to the upside. There's more buying momentum to the upside. So guys, let's see how this market plays out. Let's see how the market plays out though. So that's it for GBP CHF. The next pair on my list is Euro JPY, guys. Euro JPY. So guys, let me delete all my analysis, and we can start from the beginning, guys. We can start from the beginning. So starting from the daily time frame, I mostly start from the daily time frame. Understand? I mostly start from the daily time frame. So starting from the daily time frame, we can see mark out a high at this point. We can mark out this high. Then we'll mark out this low. Then we can start marking out our levels. You can see rejection at this point. Okay, there's another level at this point also. There's another level at this point. Another level at this point. So guys, there's nothing much to do, but we can all agree that Euro CHF has been on. Oh, sorry guys. Euro CHF has been on a strong uptrend. Understand? On a strong uptrend. You can see it's a strong uptrend. Understand? So we're mostly going to be looking for buy pressures. Understand? Buy strong buy momentums. That's what we're going to be looking for. Strong buy momentums. And for now, we just got to look at those levels. Understand? Those levels that are going to trigger the market to also go higher. So there's nothing much to do here. So I'll go drop down to the 4 hour time frame. Dropping down to the 4 hour time frame. Dropping down the 4 hour time frame. You can all agree that this is a level. This is a level. This is a level at this point that the market failed to break below. And also this is another level at this point, guys. This is another level at this point. Okay, this is another level at that point. So we can all agree that after this impulse, this consolidation, there was a consolidation here. A consolidation here that finally broke through. Understand? It created this break of structure. Finally broke these highs. Understand? This a bullish move here. Finally broke these highs. Understand? It broke these highs. So that was like a kind of more confluence to take the market, take the buys. Understand? Waiting for it to take the buys. So guys, and also we have to mark out internal support and resistance level. Internal support and resistance level are supposed to be marked, understand, to avoid mistakes, understand, because our market might act as fake out on the first support levels and maybe take the internal support levels to the upside. So after marking out my internal support level, which is resistance support level, which is level here, this way I've seen market have reacted for so many times. You can see reaction here, you can see reaction here, we can see reaction here, you can see another reaction here, we can see multiple reactions here, you can see market taking support here, and also lastly when market came for support, we can see this reaction here. So there's nothing much to do, guys, so we have to drop down to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, guys. So at the 1 hour time frame, guys, at the 1 hour time frame, sorry, the chart is loading. At the 1 hour time frame, I think I should drop down to the 2 hour time frame, that should be more better. At 2 hour time frame, you can see this this correction here and this impulsive move here, but normally waiting for a retest, market dropped down and took out this low, but it wasn't enough for a change in direction of the market. It wasn't enough for me to consider that there's been a change in direction of the market. Market taking this low doesn't mean there's going to be a change in direction of the market very easily, because we are on a strong buying momentum after this correction. And also we can see from this point there wasn't any massive consolidation around this level here before there was a massive push. So market will surely come to fill any levels that they were supposed to be covered and before trying to buy to the upside. So what I just waited for, guys, was this level, guys. This level, guys. That was the level I was waiting for, guys. I was waiting for that level to after this sell took out this low. So I waited for market to buy into my level again. So market to buy into the level I've marked. So to the lower time frames for you to see why I actually took this trade, guys. I'm on a trade now as of now. So guys, so as of now, after this sell, and then there was a kind of correction, and then it test, and then market broke these highs, and then came back and took out these lows again, and then broke these highs into my support level. Then came back to take support at that same level again, showing that there is more continuation for buyers. There's more bullish momentum stacking up in the market. After breaking my correction, there was a retest and then break, which caused a strong buying momentum. But market came back and took out that low, and then still tapped into my support level again. Understand? And so showing break of structure twice. Understand? Break of structure twice. Understand? So guys, that was all I needed to enter this trade. So what I did, guys, was just to take my my buy to and enter the trade from this point all the way to the upside. You understand? All the way to the upside. This is 35 pips making 85 pips. That should be around 1 is to 2 point something, 1 is to 2.5, I think so. So around 1 is to 2.5, which is a good, at least good risk to reward. Understand? A massive good risk to reward. So guys, that's my analysis on the Euro GPY. With this strategy, I assure you, you can pass any profit challenges. Understand? Once you're able to master a strategy as time goes on, you're able to pass any profit strategy. So guys, those are the two pairs on my list. Understand? And also I forgot to analyze. And guys, the last pair on our list should be AUD card. So starting from the daily again, starting from the daily time frame, you can mark out a low. This low is far off, but we're just marking low for just preferential treatment though. Then I'm going to mark out a high there. So then a high at this point. Then I'm going to mark out a support level. Support level on this one. We're going to mark out the minor support level with just 1xt online and the major support level with 2x ticker lines. So we'll mark out the support level also. Support level. So this is a support level though, and this is also a major support level. This is also a major support level. I think so. I think we can all agree that this AUD card has been on a strong buying trend as of now. So there's also a high at this point, a level at this point. I'm going to mark it with I think it shouldn't be it shouldn't be a thin line though. It shouldn't be a thin line. Okay, it's another level here. So guys, we can all believe that after this massive drop here, there was a correction before this buy here. The market came out to take this low and then shot up and started making this massive correction. Really lasted for several weeks or months, if I might say. Lasted for several months, I think so. So this correction was a kind of move for it was building a bullish momentum towards the upside. It was building a bullish move, a bullish momentum rather towards the upside, and that is a bad strategy though. After a kind of a strong push sell momentum and a buy wave, then a massive correction towards the upside. A massive correction towards the upside. You cannot agree that this feels like a pattern. This is a pattern, not feels. This is a pattern. This is a pattern here. After these massive sellers, last year, after these massive sellers here, there was this pattern here, and then breakout of a pattern, then a correction. But the correction lasted for too long before this buys towards the upside. So we can all agree with me that this is a strong bullish move. Understand? A strong bullish move. So dropping down to the forward time frame, we can also see the support level at this point. But we can also see that the market was trying to build momentum from this point. We keep on broke highs, came down again. We got another high here, but we wasn't able to break down these highs. Then it came back to take support again, and finally broke this previous highs, but we couldn't break this high here. Then we came back to take support level at this point, and then we saw a correction, and a retest though. Then we see market coming up all the way to break all these previous highs, then coming for a test, and then boom towards the upside. And that's mad though. That's mad, guys. Let me delete I should delete this stuff. Then I think I should draw a pattern for you guys to be able to see. So this is a resistance level also, guys, for the pattern. It's a resistance level. And we should know this pattern now, guys. This is a triangle pattern. The market's consolidating and making each high each low is higher. Understand? While keeping the highs at a solid resistance level. Understand? Keeping the highs at a solid resistance level. All these highs here at a solid resistance level, which is very mad. Understand? Showing that market is building momentum. Each low is higher than the recent lows, and The buy all the resistances are at a strong massive level. Understand? And there's no break or structure. You understand? But each lows, higher lows we keep seeing higher lows in the market. So guys, we have to watch from this point here before the breakout. You can also mark out this level here. This was where the high, where we could see that this is a clear resistance level. So this is a clear resistance level that we can all agree that this is a clear resistance level. This is where market couldn't break above. Understand? But finally, from this point, we could see there was a break. After this rejection here, the downside, there was a break, and then market we tested, and then there was a strong buy move all the way to the outside. Normally, if you take it straight, after this retest here, after the retest, we just put our buy from this point and take the way straight all the way to the upside, and then keep a stop loss below this low here, below this low. So many people like to leave a stop loss at this level, but I'll prefer my stop loss here at this point. So guys, that's my analysis on AUD card. So this will be leaving you guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to encourage me to drop more of this content. Thank you guys.